Hello, in this video, we're going to talk about using Kodaris store credits within Cloud Suite distribution for your cash sale customers. So those are those customers that do not have an account with you, but may walk in either in the front counter or showroom scenario, want to purchase product. In the other videos, we had gone through using store credit with a customer who has an account. In this case, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pull up my cash sale customer, my cash account customer. Typically, this is a B2C or business to consumer account, not a B2B account. And it's a catch-all for all those folks that walk through the door and want to purchase from us. So first thing I'm going to do, this is a customer. They do not have an account. They had previously bought something and now they're going to return it. So we're going to do a RM transaction just like we did for our account customers. Same flow, going to have a reason code. I can associate it to the original invoice. I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'm going to add the product that the customer is returning. Once I add this, again, it's going to ask me for additional detail at the line level. If I have a different reason code, a specific restocking charge, all core Cloud Suite distribution functionality, I'll just go ahead and click submit and I'll go to the collect payment option. So now this is a cash customer, so it's assuming they're paying with cash or credit card or check. Because this is a return, I'm going to do a store credit, and I'm going to select the one-time return option. And in this case, this is not going to go onto a customer account. We're going to associate this to a unique email address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in that email address and click continue. This would be the unique identifier for this cash sale customer to know that there's a store credit on there for that particular customer. So what it says is that we never seen this person before, and we're validating that against the Kodaris operations portal and all the detail that's available there. Do I want to create one? And yes, I do. So I'm not necessarily creating a new customer record. I'm creating a store credit account on the Kodaris operations portal so we can track that transaction detail. So when I click OK, it's saying, okay, we've got a customer set up with that email address as the unique identifier. We're about to credit them $35.50. I'm going to process that payment. We can print the receipt and click finish. And now we're all set. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this transaction. And just to round this out, now that customer goes away, they've got their store credit, they're going to walk back in the door next week and they're going to buy something different. They want to use that store credit. So I can pull up the cash account because that's how this customer buys from me. I can go ahead and select the product that they want to buy. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to the order. I'm going to go to collect a payment. And now when I go for the payment method, I'm going to choose store credit. I'm going to choose one-time sale. And I'm going to say this is going to be based on an email address. So I'm going to ask the customer what's their email address. They're going to enter that into the screen. It's going to come up. It knows there's an available balance of $35.50. Well, isn't that convenient? That's exactly what the payment amount due is. But certainly I can use a partial amount here if I needed to, or if it's only going to be a partial payment against the order total, I can do that and have multiple payments against the transaction. I'll go ahead and process that payment and again, can print a receipt and the receipt can be automatically emailed. I'll click finish. Now that payment has been made. If I review the payment history, I can see a payment was made with the store credit. The amount remaining due is 0. Customer's good to go. And I'm going to go ahead and finish that transaction. So that is capturing a store credit on a cash sale customer, a non-account customer, and then subsequently using that credit tied to that customer's email address.